company was established in 1986. They are a specialized integrated manufacturing company that specializes in the design, the production, as well as the development and the export of these products to a worldwide market. What market do you want to ask? They export these products to North America, South America, and Europe. And that's because they do that, they have to maintain certain international standards. Standards such as EN 71, ASTM, and ISO 9001. So as you can see, this company is well integrated in what they're doing, and with their worldwide brand, Happy Kid, I'm quite sure they can meet your standards and exceed your expectation on the products that they provide for us. Children, toys, and baby products, and all type of plastic toys that they provide through the year because of the quality management that they have, the high standards that they provide, the social responsibilities that they maintain with their employees. For example, the second product that I want to talk about that they came out with is the Bilingual learning clock. Now, with this clock is very important because children, as well as adults, can learn to speak, tell time in different languages. So it's very useful. This product as well is EN 71 certified, as well as ASTM certified. Now, you want to know about what other certifications that they have here at Happy Kids? Let me show you something. They have other certifications that they have met and to grow their product and to provide quality items. The ICTI is another certification that they have. They also have the IS 9001 2008 certification. They have the Global Security Verification, which is good for toy industry manufacturers. Very good certification to have. And for Quality Management System certification, they have the IS 9001 2015. We're at the manufacturing part of Happy Kid. This is a production line of a plastic toy, which is the toy dump truck. You can see that they have a lot of assembly parts here to put the toys together. This one particular area right here, you have the electronic component section of it. But in this particular location, even though this place has over 1,200 employees, it has at least 200 employees in this particular location. They have a standard production process as well as a strict quality control system, which is a requirement for them to be a part of the Certified Supplier Initiative. Okay, we're in another department. This is the inspection department of the Quality Assurance section of the Happy Kid. And this is the circuit board section where she's actually testing the circuit board to make sure that they are 100% past the inspection to meet the toys quality. Okay, we're at the QC laboratory for Happy Kids. And basically what have three types of testing they're performing amongst the other ones that they do. This is the drop test here. It actually takes the impact from the toys at a certain height and see what impact that it has that it keeps the toys intact. So this is one test that they perform. And then over here, if you come down a little closer, right here they do the torque test. They take the toys and they put them inside this torque machine to test the density, the torqueness of the actual machine or the toy so it won't break. And then if you come down here to the third testing, the third one that we want to show you is the tension test. They're actually taking it and pulling the toy. You can see right here it has a certain gauge here to make sure that the parts of the toys doesn't come out.